If you go to the top right section of the screen here, you'll see a bell and a mail. If you click the bell, you should see your review in queue here. Go ahead and click review. And this is each category that you will be entering. For reference, if you need written instructions on how to complete the survey, on the top left here, click instructions. You'll have a paragraph here explaining how the legend box works and how to exit the legend box, as well as completing the review. To begin your review, go to the entry tab on the top left. In the entry view, you'll see each different competency you'll be filling out, ranging from communication, cooperation, customer service, dependability, job knowledge, and so on. To know how to rate each of these from exceptional to unsatisfactory, go to the top right blue navigation bar and click Legend. Under Rating, select Like. Let's say we want to complete the communication section, so we will type in communication, hit Enter. This dialog box will give you the description for exceptional communication all the way to unsatisfactory, and how you can rate your performance based off this description. To exit this dialog box, make sure to click the X on the top right corner. In order to complete one section, we'll do communication, so we'll select the drop-down box on the left side. We'll do highly effective. In the right-hand box here, you type your description of what you accomplished. And if you have other examples, enter a description, and so forth and so on. And the same applies for each section here. So you've got the drop-down on the left side, select your rating, and then enter the description on the right. In order to submit your report, each section needs to be filled out with the job competencies selected and comments added to the dialog box. Once all sections are filled out, go to the top right blue menu and hit Save. After you hit Save, you are taken to this screen here where you can see all of your entries, your competency ratings, and then how your manager will view them. If you need to make any last-minute edits, feel free to go in and adjust these scores. After making all the edits to your report here, on the top left, select Summary. You're directed to a page that shows the category percentage out of 100% and your descriptions that you have. At this point, you can still make any last-minute changes by going to the top left and select Entry. And you can go in and make any change that you need. And if you want to go back and review, just go back and hit Summary. If everything looks correct, go to the top right menu and hit Submit. A question box will appear and ask if you want to submit this review, and select Yes. You can then review everything that you've written. Also see a 0 in your notification bar on the top right section. Once you're all finished, go to the top left and select the 3 parallel lines, and then select Sign Out. In order to complete your review, log back in and look for any new notifications indicating a sign-off has been made. You can see your notifications either in the bottom in My To-Do items or in the top right notification bar. Click the top right notification bell, and you can see the notification you have a request to sign or refuse to sign your review. Click Sign to complete the review.